how lucky am I? I got 2 pocket letters. Yay! So let's get into them. The first one's actually from Tracey at Holiday Cookie Diva. And I sent her my very first pocket letter I ever did. And we had talked about this. We did a wax swap back in the early winter. So she sent me a pocket letter back. Her video is so much better than the one I'm doing here. I just was going to show you. She does all this great impromptu, add-ins on the editing. And you know me, I live like a prehistoric under a rock. Because I don't have a laptop or anything. And my computer's old as dirt. So anyways, she sent me a card. And I'll just open it up real quick. Oh, wow. Oh, Tracey, you had to have made that. Very pretty. Little cup of hot cocoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, losing butterflies. Oh, and piggies too. So she sent me some die cuts. How cute. Let me try to open that without... There we go. Oh, she wrote me a nice long letter. So, but look, she sent me die cuts. Very cute. So far, I'm liking it. And some stickers. Oh, how nice. Paper tape stickers. That's very pretty. I'm definitely going to have to use some of these. Ideas popping in my head. And puffy balloons. Very nice. And then there's some other paper tape stickers. So for like borders. Oh, I'm going to have to use those when I want to make, more pen pal envelopes. That would be great to add on there. Thank you, Tracey. Very nice. Oh, I love it. Okay. Let me get that out of the way. Oh my goodness. I love it. Again, pocket letter etiquette, right? I guess you start with the front. Oh, and I lost the heart. And you move to the back. Oh, how cute. See, this is one thing I'm learning. You're supposed to decorate the front of the card. I don't know, but how cute. Oh, and that's, oh my goodness, that is on vellum. That is a very smart idea. And then she backed it on cardstock. That's what I like about these pocket letters. I get all these great ideas and then do it to my own. I really like that idea. Move that out of the way. That's on cardstock. Getting back to cardstock. That's great. And then you can see there some winter scenes and a cute little dangly. This caught my eye. That is really cool looking. So let's go dig in there first and see what that is. There are teeny tiny little wee playing cards. Where would you ever find something like this? That is so neat. Oh, wow. Oh, and they're like a chipboard. That is really neat. In a teeny tiny little bag. It's fun to see what other people, you know, have in their stash. That's kind of the neat part of it. It's like, oh, you know, they have this and this is what they like, or, you know, etc., things like that. Lots of ephemera. Acetate pieces. And of course I see this journaling card here. Very nice. And lots more ephemera. And I know Tracey does a lot of pocket letters, and she does a lot of like thrift store and repurposing and upcycling. So that is also great. And I never thought about like what I have. I mean, I went to the thrift store before and have found things. They must get some of their stuff from Target at my thrift store, because I have seen like the red tags on there. I'm like, well, why can't I craft shop here? That's what I'm thinking. I love these pieces of ephemera, although they got a little bit bent, but that's okay. And I like how she put all the little stuff here in the baggies. Just different little travel pieces. Wow. That is tiny. Yeah, I don't know. I think because they put a rubber band on my package when I picked it up. I think that's what happened to the, why it got bent. Pretty sure. Because it was kind of like a cylinder. Oh, and I put it, see, that's what I do. I make a pocket letter and I put stuff in backwards, and then I have to pull it all back out and put it back in the right way. I'm learning. Okay, this is all in a bag. Just fun little ephemera pieces. She knows my taste, that I like ephemera and I like tags. I like how she grouped things too. See, I'm taking this all down, jotting it all down in my head. I'm just going to set this aside and put that back in. These are, wow, that is fabulous. Or marvelous. Excellent. I'll put those back in. That's the other thing about these pocket letters. I can never find the hole. It's like, oh my goodness. I know, I'm kind of going all over the place, aren't I? But I just wanted to look at her handiwork. Get some ideas. That one's tight. We'll take this one out. So I like that. And then, okay, that one is just on paper. Oh my goodness, Tracey, I just deconstructed your pocket letter down to nothing. I will put it all back together. You know, I keep all my pocket letters. I have a place where I keep them at, and then I look at them and I kind of use little pieces out of it here and there. And isn't that what you're supposed to do with it, right? Kind of use little pieces here and there, and that's what I've been doing with them. So, sharing the love. Sharing the love. All right, that is from Tracey at Holiday Cookie Diva. And I will link her channel below. Go check her out. She is a fun gal to watch, and she has really good editing software. And I'm a little bit jealous because I'm like, how did she do that? So next up, watch for my next one coming up. All right. Thanks for hanging with me for a few. Bye.